Welcome to Session 17, Functions, Systems, and Algebraic Modeling. Functions assign exactly one output to each input. Systems ask where two relationships are simultaneously true. Together, they model choices, intersections, break-even points, and constraints that cannot be understood from a single expression alone. By the end, you will be able to do the following. Determine whether a relation is a function. Evaluate function notation and write rules from tables. Solve systems by substitution or elimination. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, a function assigns exactly one output to each input. A system solution satisfies every equation at once. Models begin by defining variables and translating independent conditions. Worked. Example 1. For f of x equals 2x squared minus 3, evaluate f of 4. Substitute 4 for every x. 2 times 16 minus 3 is 29. Check. Function notation names the output. It does not mean f times x. Worked example 2. Solve x plus y equals 11 and x minus y equals 3. Add the equations to eliminate y. 2x equals 14, so x is 7. Substitution gives y equals 4. Check. 7 plus 4 is 11, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Worked example 3. A venue sells 120 adult and child tickets for $1,200. Adults cost $12 and children $8. The count and revenue equations solve to 60 adult tickets and 60 child tickets. Check. The counts total 120, and the revenue is 720 plus 480. Watch for this common error, checking a proposed system solution in only one equation. Correction. The ordered pair must satisfy every original condition. Use this routine, name the target and units, choose a relationship, calculate with clear steps, then estimate and verify. Define the relationships, choose a representation and solution method, find their common result, and validate it against every condition. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.